So in this video, I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Microsoft Surface 5. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the Wi-Fi sign, battery sign, and the sound sign in the bottom right corner. Then you can click on the arrow next to your Wi-Fi. And now you will see the list of all networks available. You can choose whichever one you like. Then click connect. You can also activate connect automatically for that network. And then now when it has any password, you will need to type it in. Hit enter. And your Wi-Fi network should be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.